So today I have another Happy Mail Christmas embellishment swap to share with you, and this one is coming from my very good friend Rosa Gomez. She is Rosa's Creative Way right here on YouTube, and let me show you real quick what her channel looks like so that you can go to her channel. There it is. Isn't she pretty? She's so pretty. You can go on over to her channel and subscribe to her channel, and remember to click on that bell notification that you see right there so that you could be hopefully notified each time Rosa uploads a brand spanking new video right here on YouTube. So let's go ahead and get started. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to all of those who have swapped with me during this Christmas season. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedules to do a swap with me. It's been a heck of a lot of fun, and I hope to do more of these in the near future. So we've opened up the box, and let's see what Rosa has oh my goodness, in store for me. She spoils me each and every time. I tell you, Rosa has she gets her hands on a lot of these adorable, just beautiful flowers, and she always sends me a gazillion of them, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm not worthy. But thank you so much, Rosa. Just take a look at these guys, and oh my gosh, just look how gorgeous these flowers are. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So pretty much our Christmas embellishment swap. Oh my goodness, I got some chocolate. I love chocolate. Bombs, anybody? And so yeah, we had to do a couple of embellishments. Oh my gosh, it's been a few weeks ago since we agreed to do the swap that I've pretty much forgotten what we were supposed to have in there, but she has already received mine. I don't know if she's had the opportunity to do an unboxing video on the stuff that I sent her. But yeah, go ahead and after this video, if you are not already subscribed to her channel, hop on over to her channel and sub to her, and yeah, make sure that you click on that bell notification. Let me go ahead and take these out of the box. Everything looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. And Rosa has access to so many of the more chocolate Polkadoodles, digital stamps, and oh my goodness, the things that she makes with them. Oh my gosh, it's like jaw-dropping, guys. I just love chocolate, and it's one of my favorite brands too. It's Lindor. So okay, first and foremost, let's take a look at this gorgeous card. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Look at this, and here is her stamp. Alrighty, and there is her IG handle as well. And it's an easel card. Oh my gosh, it is so, and she made a button. It says, may your spirits be bright, and it's an easel card. Oh, and she didn't write anything on it, so I guess I can use it. Or you know what? I'm going to use it as a decoration because it is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. It's so absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And she does these magical things with pastels. Oh my gosh. She is like the queen of pink and everything pastel and digital pre-colored stamps. I just love what she makes with everything. And here is the mini loaded envelope, and oh my, look how cute. Look how cute she packaged everything. So let me open it right here, and she did it with this beautiful Frank Garcia Prima paper. The latest one. I always forget the name of the paper. My goodness, I always forget. But Y'all know which one I'm talking about, right? Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my goodness, everything está tan bonito, Rosita. Oh my gosh, look. Look at that. And I do believe she has that button maker machine, and my friends bought it and everything. And I'm like, I almost bought a button maker, but then I was like, what am I going to do with it? But it's so super cute. Look at that. And you know what, guys? This is very sturdy. Okay, so over here, we have a notepad. Look how pretty. Look at this gorgeousness. Oh my gosh, I just love those stamps. She made a notepad, which is awesome because you know what? Just yesterday, Rosita, I was looking for some scratch paper to write on because I needed to do some measurements for this thing that I was making, and I couldn't find any scratch paper, so I had to use my cardstock. But thank you so much. You know that I am going to put this to very good use. And so, yeah, this is how she made it. It is so super cute. I love it. Oh my goodness. Is this from one of the Spellbinders kits? Because I think I have the very same one. It's either Spellbinders or Heidi Swap. I can't remember. But it looks like a Spellbinders to me. There you go. That is so super cute. Thank you. Oh, here's some more buttons. I love them. See, now you're gonna have me wanting to buy a button maker. Oh my gosh. See, I was on the fence on whether or not I wanted to get a button maker, but now you've convinced me. I swear, girl, you make me spend money. You make me spend money, honey. Hang on a second. I gotta open this. I gotta open this. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. See, now I'm convinced that I need one of these in my life. Look at that. Look at that. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. I love it, honey. Thank you so much. And I really like this. This bookmark that you made for me, it's really super cute. Thank you so much. I love it. I love it. I love it. You must tell me, private message me what that die is. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look at what she gifted me. That is so super sweet. And I love this bow that you used. I don't want to open it just yet. I don't want to open it until I'm ready to use it. But look, see, she lives in a part in California where she has access to so many amazing crafty finds, okay? So I'm like, girl, you're so lucky. I love that. And look at this pastel pen. I love this. I love this, girl. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me see how it writes. I love this. Oh. I'm writing her a message. This is for you, Rosita. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I love this. I love this. I love this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And look at this. She made it sturdy, so sturdy that it's functional. It's like I can use this. Gosh, I can even put it right here on my desk. Oh my gosh, where I could keep pens and things and, things like this while I'm crafting. Thank you so much. Because you know how we always need cute stuff, cute containers to use for our crafty stuff. And look at this. What is this? And here's another digital stamp that she used. And this is from Polkadoodles. And what is this? What is this? Let me see. Let me see. I don't want to. Um, so this goes like this. Oh, it's chocolate truffles! I love truffles! Thank you, thank you, thank you! Look, look, look! Yum, 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 yum! Yum, 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 yum! Right now I feel like a fat kid in the candy store. Yum, 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 yum! Where do we get it? And look what she made for me. I know that this is a Spellbinders die. Oh my gosh, this is from one of their club kits, and also this is from one of their club kits, and this is a Spellbinders die as well. It is so absolutely beautiful. Look what she made for me. Oh my gosh. And you know what? Earlier today, I was taking a picture of this pie box because I want to learn to make boxes like these. Thank you, honey. One can never go wrong with hand sanitizers. Yeah. We live at a day and age now that these are crucial, and you should have one of these in every room of the house. And facial tissues. This is, oh, I like this. Look how it's packaged. This is also a must-have in your crafting area, in your crafting space, because of the stamping and everything, and you always got to clean up. But look, no lie, I was looking today. Look, 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 check this out. I was checking out this, como se dice, this pie thing. Look over here. This is me taking pictures of the box to see, okay, how do they make this? That's me taking a picture of the box at my dining room table because I'm like, I want to learn how to make these boxes. So Rosita, if you have a tutorial, because I like this size, if you have a tutorial on how to make this, please let me know, because I mean, I can always figure it out, but if, you know, why invent the wheel when it's already been done, right? I really, really like how you've done this. So thank you so much. And thank you for swapping with me. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm hoping that come 2021, I'll be able to swap a lot more. And yeah, and so go check out Rosa's Creative Way right here on YouTube. And please remember to check her out at her Instagram. That's her right there. And make sure that you click on the bell icon so that you can check out Rosa's tutorials and project shares and everything. Like I said, she does amazing things with Polkadoodles and Spellbinders. Thank you so very much for watching. Have a wonderful New Year's Eve, and I will see you once again real soon. Bye.